Crash course on Thai tourism. An examination of Thailand's tourism industry, including its major attractions, tourism policies, and impact on the economy. Sure. Let's dive into the fascinating world of Thai tourism. Thailand is a country that offers a unique blend of exotic culture, natural beauty, and modern amenities. From bustling cities to serene countryside, Thailand has something for everyone. The tourism industry is a major contributor to the country's economy, generating billions of dollars in revenue and providing employment opportunities to millions of people. Interesting stories. Thailand's tourism industry is known for its resilience and ability to bounce back from adversity. In 2004, the country was hit by a devastating tsunami that claimed thousands of lives and caused massive destruction. Despite the tragedy, Thailand's tourism industry bounced back within a few years, and the country is now one of the top tourist destinations in the world. Another interesting fact is that Thailand is home to one of the most unique festivals in the world. The Songkran Festival, also known as the Thai New Year. This festival is celebrated in mid-April and involves a massive water fight where locals and tourists alike soak each other with water guns and buckets of water. It's a fun and festive event that attracts visitors from all over the world. Top 12 major attractions. Bangkok. The vibrant capital city of Thailand is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to the country. From stunning temples to bustling markets, there is never a dull moment in Bangkok. Chiang Mai. This northern city is famous for its ancient temples, rich culture, and beautiful scenery. Visitors can take cooking classes, go on jungle treks, and explore the city's many art galleries and night markets. Phuket. This island paradise is known for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and world-class resorts. It's a popular destination for honeymooners and those seeking a luxury getaway. Pattaya. This beach town is famous for its nightlife and entertainment, with plenty of bars, clubs, and cabarets to keep visitors entertained. Ayutthaya. This ancient city was once the capital of Thailand and is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visitors can explore the city's many temples and ruins, which offer a glimpse into Thailand's rich history. Sukhothai. Another ancient city, Sukhothai is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is home to some of the country's most impressive temples and ruins. Khao Yai National Park. This vast nature reserve is home to a wide variety of wildlife, including elephants, tigers, and bears. Visitors can go on guided tours or explore the park on their own. Krabi. This southern province is famous for its stunning limestone cliffs, crystal clear waters, and world-class diving spots. It's a popular destination for adventure seekers and nature lovers. Koh Samui. This idyllic island is known for its white sand beaches, turquoise waters, and laid-back vibe. Visitors can enjoy a variety of water sports, relax on the beach, or explore the island's many temples and attractions. Phi Phi Islands. This group of islands is a popular destination for snorkeling and diving, with crystal clear waters and an abundance of marine life. Chiang Rai. This northern city is home to the famous White Temple, as well as a variety of other temples, museums, and cultural attractions. Hua Hin. This seaside town is a popular destination for golfers, with world-class golf courses and luxurious resorts. Summarization. Thailand's tourism industry is a major contributor to the country's economy, generating billions of dollars in revenue and providing employment opportunities to millions of people. The country's unique blend of exotic culture, natural beauty, and modern amenities makes it a popular destination for tourists from all over the world. Poem. In Thailand's land of smiles so bright, tourists come from day to night to see the sights and soak up the sun, and have some fun for everyone. From Bangkok's bustling city streets to Chiang Mai's mountainous retreats, the temples and the markets too are sights that will be hard to eschew. The beaches on the southern shores, with crystal waters and golden floors, are the perfect spots to unwind and leave all worries far behind. In Thailand, there's so much to see, from culture to cuisine to history. So pack your bags and come explore, and leave your heart forevermore. Song. Verse 1. In Thailand's land of smiles, There's a world to explore. From the cities to the mountains. And the islands offshore. Chorus. Come and see the temples. And the markets buzzing bright. Take a stroll through ancient ruins. And revel in the night. Verse 2. In the north, Chiang Mai's waiting. With its culture and its charm. While down south, the beaches beckon. With their waters crystal calm. Chorus. Come and see the temples. And the markets buzzing bright. Take a stroll through ancient ruins. And revel in the night. Bridge. The food is simply stunning. With flavors to entice. And the people are so friendly. They'll make you feel so nice. Chorus. Come and see the temples. And the markets buzzing bright. Take a stroll through ancient ruins. And revel in the night. Outro. In Thailand's land of smiles. There's so much to behold. So come and see it all. Before you grow too old. Asterisk asterisk asterisk. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Thailand has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Thailand, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you, Anhub Metaverse team.